fresh and clean, the right way to rinse lettuce. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic: rinse the lettuce. Whether you're preparing a salad or adding it to a sandwich, knowing how to properly clean your lettuce is crucial. Not only does it ensure your food is safe to eat, but it also enhances the taste and texture of your dishes. Let's get those leaves sparkling clean. Before we start washing, let's understand what we mean by rinse the lettuce. Rinsing is the process of cleaning something with water. In our context, it means gently washing the lettuce leaves under water to remove any dirt, pesticides, or potential bacteria. It's a simple but essential step in preparing fresh, healthy lettuce. Rinsing lettuce is not just about cleaning. It's about ensuring food safety and quality. Lettuce, especially when eaten raw, can carry dirt and microorganisms. By rinsing it properly, you reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses and ensure that your lettuce is crunchy and refreshing. Now, let's learn the proper way to rinse lettuce. 1. Separate the leaves. Start by separating the lettuce leaves. This allows the water to reach all parts of the leaf, ensuring a thorough clean. 2. Cold water rinse. Gently rinse the leaves under cold running water. Cold water is better as it keeps the lettuce crisp and prevents wilting. 3. Use a colander. If you have a lot of lettuce, consider using a colander. This lets you rinse the leaves evenly and allows for easy drainage. 4. Dry the lettuce. After rinsing, it's important to dry the leaves. You can use a salad spinner or gently pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Wet lettuce can be soggy and dilute the flavor of your salad dressings. While rinsing lettuce is straightforward, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. Avoid soaking in water. Soaking lettuce in water can make it limp and waterlogged. It's better to rinse under running water. Don't use soap or detergents. These can leave harmful residues. Plain, cold water is sufficient for cleaning lettuce. Be gentle. Lettuce leaves are delicate. Handle them gently to avoid bruising. And there you have it, a clean, fresh batch of lettuce ready for your next meal. Rinsing lettuce might seem like a small step, but it's an important one for your health and for the quality of your dishes. We hope this video helps you in preparing your lettuce perfectly every time. Happy cooking and stay healthy!